Let's take a look at ELA3 Unit 2. Now, the essential question for this unit is, how do authors and speakers use rhetoric to present issues that are important to them? And not only does this question perfectly align to the things that we're going to see in the second unit, but it is also important because it aligns to the SAT writing portion, which is more or less an analysis of rhetoric used by writers in persuasive pieces. So this unit is broken up really into two parts in Springboard. The first section of the unit is entirely dedicated to the play The Crucible by Arthur Miller and supplemental readings around that. And The Crucible is really a very, very large example, a generalization of using rhetoric. Obviously, Miller used this long narrative to present his ideas not only about hysteria, but about what was happening in the 1950s in America. The second half of the unit in Springboard is informative readings that are speeches from basically the American canon. And these are essential for building that understanding of how authors use rhetoric to present their ideas. There are two mandatory assessments in this unit. The first one is embedded assessment number 2 in Springboard. This asks students to deliver a persuasive speech and really hit some of those ever crucial speaking and listening standards. The second assessment, of course, is the district examination. Look at the vocabulary list for this unit. You may want to add a list of rhetorical devices for students to become familiar with, not only for the unit, but again for SAT writing. So this unit at the end is really about rhetoric, and it's really focused on the writer and their craft and the message that they are trying to get across to readers and why. Good luck out there.